Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. This is Rodriguez Mama's Great Channel, a faith healer, also matarder. So ngayong hapon na to, tignan natin ang sabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. So this is a monthly gabay for the month of March 2025 for the sign of. For the sign of Aries. So Aries, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasagap for today's video? Kanina kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Aries ang ating mga gilap. So guys, this reading is a journey reading lamang nila at makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating sagot. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. And the notification bell for more videos of the request. Maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel. Lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-skip ng ads. Naway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at ni Kapal, siksik-liglig, nag-uumapang na biyayang manong balik sa inyo. So let's see guys, what is the messages, advices sa'yo ng ating angel spirit for the sign of Aries. So let's see and watch this. Angel Spirit Guide, please give me information po. Ano kayong sabihin sa'yo ng ating mga baraha? Angel Spirit, please give me information po. Okay, there's the two of wands, choices, no? May mga bagay na kailangan pagpilian. No? May mga bagay na pipiliin mo talaga. There's something in ahas na nakapulupot sa leeg mo, na nagre-represent na mag-ingat ka sa mga taong pagkakatiwalaan mo. Now, there's something ahas or traitor. And I guess let's see what is additional messages. And there's something like with the Pentacles. So see, there's something being mature enough and being grounded pagdating sa finances. So kailangan maging mature at maging practical ka pagdating sa pera. And there's something, the Knight of Swords. There's a success driven, no? Unti-unti nang magtatagumpay kung ano man yung mga bagay na yung hinahangad, no? And there's a Ten of Pentacles for long term. Magkakaroon ka ng financial security dito. Or something financial windfall. No? Maaring lumakas ang yung finances. And there's an Empress card for revert. Now, there's something a revert. Sinasabi na kumbaga taking back, no, to your power, no, talagang ibinabalik, no, ang iyong kumbaga authority, no, kakayanan or something na parang decision, no. And there's something, the Justice card. Don't you worry, karma is waving. May justisya. The justice is here. And there's something, principle of karma. What is the Two of Wands? Reference with the Kingman, you're feeling stuck, you're feeling hang, no? Kumbaga, hindi ka makalis sa situation, that because of this eksena. What is the Queen of Pentacles? Reference with the Ace of Pentacles, I told you, protection at pangalagaan mo yung finances mo. This is something, a big money and big opportunity coming for you. A big break. And there's the Page of Cups by your intuition. Tama ka ng, kumbaga, vibration, tama ka ng instinct, no, tama ka ng visions, no, unti-unti mo na makikita yung possibilities, no, magiging mabilis itong eksena na to, napakabilis niya. What is the Ten of Pentacles? So there's something, the Lovers. So ibig sabihin dito magkakaroon ka talaga ng for long term, hindi lang sa finances kundi sa love life. What is the Empress card? Represent what? Empress card represent with the King of Pentacles. So just being practical and secure pagdating sa finances, no, kumbaga sinasabi dito na kumbaga, you have the authority, no, to use this money or power wisely. No, kailangan matuto ka na kung paano mo pangangalagaan or pangahawakan tong kung ano man yung mga bagay na meron ka. No, hindi mo kailangan makinig sa mga sasabihin ng iba. Let's see what is the Justice card. Represent with the Four of Swords. So see, there's something arrest, and because this is something intuitions. No, ibig sabihin may hustisya, ibig sabihin dito na ipapakita at ibabahagi sa'yo sa panaginip mo kung ano yung mga bagay na karapat-dapat ay para sa'yo. There's something of consequences. What goes around comes around. What is the Two of Wands that the Hangman? Reference with the Knight of Wands. Slowly but surely. No, hindi naman yan mamamadali. No? Hinay-hinay lang. Huwag padalos-dalos. And there's something, the White Nomad. So see, there's the White Divinity. Ibig sabihin protected ang iyong finances. No? Pinoproteksyon at pinapangalagaan ng ating Panginoon ang iyong finances. So, let's see what is the Knight of Swords, the Page of Cups. Represent with the Temperance. So, this is a perfect timing for you. Now, this is something, an information na magdadala sa inyo ng perfect timing and divine timing. What is Ten of Pentacles, the Lovers? Represent with the Two of Cups, a partnership. So, see, meron ka talagang a long term, no? And of course, everlasting promises, or either there's something, kumbaga, higher level commitment, no? If you are being single, if you are being taken, parang meron ka talaga ditong taong makakasama for long run. What is the Empress card? Because the King of Pentacles referencing with the Ten of Swords. Mag-ingat ka lang with the sabotage, no? Kung sinasabi sa'yo dito, ito yung sinasabi ko na kailangan huwag ka makikinig sa mga sasabihin ng iba, no? You have an authority na gawin mo yung mga bagay na gusto mong gawin. And there's a Ten of Swords, no? There's a sabotage. Sinasabotahin nila para magkamali ka, para kumbaga maano ka, no? Maputulang ka ng eksena, ganon. So, let's see what is the Justice card, because the Four of Swords. Referencing with the World card. Ibig sabihin, bilog ang mundo. The Justice is here na bilog ang mundo. Ibig sabihin, iikot ang kapalaran para sa'yo. Maaring, kumbaga, kung ano man yung mga bagay na ginawa nila, babalik sa kanila. What is the outcome? Ang pinaka-outcome is the Death card. No, this is something at the ending and in your beginning. Dapat nang tapusin, dapat nang waksiin. No, o may mga bagay na matatapos na. And there's something that the Six of Pentacles, so this is something giving, receiving something by the universe. Ibig sabihin, magiging balanse ka na, no, sa lahat ng aspeto. Ibig sabihin din, magtutuloy-tuloy na rin kung about sa finances. No, let's see what is additional messages for finances and career. And there's the Wheel of Fortune. I told you, there's something, a blessing coming in for you. And there's something, the Five of Cups, no? May mga disappointment na nangyayari sa buhay mo pagdating sa finances. Don't you worry, no? Kung may mga taong gumawa sa'yo para gastusan ka, para harangin ko ano man yung mga bagay na papasok sa'yo, huwag kang mag-alala. Dahil iikot ang kapalaran at maaaring bumalik sa kanila kung ano man yung mga bagay na ginawa nila, no? At maaaring pumabor na sa'yo ang sitwasyon. And because this is something, the Seven of Swords, mag-ingat ka lang, no? Sa finances, maraming mga sinungaling manloloko. Mag-ingat ka. What is additional messages? Alam mo, na-sense ko dito, may paglilinlang. No? May paglilinlang. Nilinlang ka. What is additional messages about sa love life? There's a Three of Wands, waiting for a result, waiting for a ship, no? Kumbaga, naghihintay ka na lang ng resulta kung ano man yung mga bagay na nangyayari ngayon. And there's the Queen of Wands, no? Confident. Kailangan malakas ang loob mo. Kumbaga, may kumpiyansa ka na matatapos na itong gantong eksena. And there's a Seven of Pentacles with a harvest moment, no? Kumbaga, at the end of the time, lahat ng mga bagay na nangyayari, kumbaga, there's a God purpose, no? This is something, your hard work is paying off. Lahat ng mga paghihirap mo, lahat ng mga pinaghirapan mo, ito na, may kabayaran na, no? What is additional messages about sa health? There's a Chariot for a movement, no? Magkakaroon ng changes about sa health mo. And there's a Seven of Wands. See? Seven of Wands, something protection at pangalagaan mo yung sarili mo. And there's something that the Knight of Pentacles with security. Maging secure ka sa sarili mo dahil, no? Kailangan mo nang baguhin yung sistema na nangyari sa'yo from the past pagdating sa health mo. No, masyado ka kasing open. So, it's either sa mga kinakain mo, sa mga iniinom mo, or either with the people around you, no? Na naging open ka, kaya sinasabi dito, maging secure ka na. Na maging secure, alagaan, protection na with the Seven of Wands. What is additional messages, no? Pagdating naman tayo sa Yin and Yang Oracle card. For a Yin and Yang Oracle card, represent what? Represent the self-care. So, see, alagaan mo yung sarili mo dito, guys. And there is something, a transformation. No? Malaking pagbabago na magaganap dito sa eksena mo, and there's something present. Oh wow, there's a gratitude and abundance, no? Alagaan mo yung sarili mo dito dahil merong magandang ibubungan to sa mga susunod na eksena in the present moment at the same time. Na magiging maganda na raw ang iyong finances, love life, and career. What is the magical fairy messages? And there's a winter, no? Ibig sabihin, masasagot na lahat ng katanungan mo ngayong winter season. And this is something, a birthday, no? Especially sa birthday mo. What is additional messages with the synchronicities represent what? And there's a rise. Oh my God, there's a rise. So, ibig sabihin, there's a changes. See, nakikita mo, there's a storm. May unos, may pagsubok, but there's something rising from the ashes. No? Ibig sabihin, pagkatapos ka nitong durug-durugan, pagkatapos kang, kumbaga, ano siya, ubusin lahat, sirain lahat, kumbaga pagkatapos na yurak-yurakan ng yung buong pagkatao, there's a rise. na maaaring magkaroon ng pagbabago, na this is something of transformation. And there's something bravery. Kailangan mo lang maging matapang at palaban. Ganon. What is the Romance Angels for a Mystic Love Oracle deck? Represent what? Parang walang pinagkaiba. After the storms, there's something, a rainbow. No? So let's see. What is the Romance Angels for a Mystic Love Oracle deck? And there's something, a marriage. No? Meron ditong about talaga sa marriage, and there's something romantic feelings. No? Especially pagdating talaga sa pagsasama ng inyong mag-asawa. And there's a healing, releasing. So see, unti-unti talagang gagaling, no? Sa iyong mga karamdaman na nararamdaman. Wow! So let's see. What is additional messages with an angel spirit, guys? No? With Archangel Michael messages. For Archangel Michael messages, represent a pay attention to your dreams. So see, kumbaga, sinasabi dito, tumutok ka sa mga panaginip mo or sa pangarap mo. And because this is something, a positive to create a positive result. Always being optimistic, no? Being positive at the same time, this situation is already resolved. So, ibig sabihin na solusyonan mo na, natapos na, no? Unti-unti na yung hihilom. What is additional messages with an angel spirit, guys? And there is something, awareness, no? Abundance, kasaganahan, there's a preparation with a harvest moment. Talagang mag-aani ka talaga dito, guys, no? Unti-unti nga aani ka. And there's something of trust and honesty na kailangan maging tapat at maging totoo ka sa sarili mo. And there's an inner truth. Kasi kumbaga nalaman mo na lahat ng katotohanan sa lahat ng eksena na to. And there's something communication, no? So, let's see what is the angel's answer. Represent what? Don't stop. Huwag kang hihinto. Magpatuloy ka lamang. And there's a meditate and bring answers. So, there's a devotion, prayer, no? And there's a something, wait. Antayin mo lang. Huwag ka masyadong magmadali. What is additional messages with an angel spirit, guys? With an angel spirit, represent friendship, no? This is something, a friendship of yours. No, kumbaga there's something, a friend na tutulong sa'yo. And there's a humor. No, there's something humor. Kailangan, titignan mo yung lighter situation. Iwasan mo maging nega. What is additional messages with an angel spirit for Archangel Raphael messages? And because this is something, ask your body for massage. So, kailangan mo ng tulong for massage therapies. What is additional messages with an angel spirit? And there's a double mission, no? There's a lighter worker and starts with serve the word by being you, no? Kumbaga, it's either may kakayanan ka para makita, no? Sa panaginip mo, o yung mga bagay na nakatago, or may mga bagay na lubos mo nang mauunawaan sa ngayon. And there's a crack open. There's something na parang may lamat na. There's something, a rock bottom, no? Kumbaga, bubuksan na lahat ng mga bagay na akalain mo, yun ang katotohanan, no? So, let's see what is the chakra messages. And there's something completion, so wag mong hayaan mahuli ang lahat, no? Gumawa ka ng actions. And there's a faith, no? May pananampalataya at tiwala ka dito, and there's something victim. Maaring biktima ka lamang, no? Na mga negative aircraft of black magic and vogue. So, let's see what is the Romance Angels. Ibig sabihin, kailangan malakas sa pananampalataya at tiwala mo. So, let's see what is the additional messages with a Monsology. And communication is the key. No? Kailangan mo na makipag-communications, no? At ayusin mo yung pakikipag-communication. Huwag ka rin bibigyan ng kahit anong information. And there's a meditate and contemplate. So, kailangan mo talaga mag-devotion, magdasal. And there's something, don't let your past hold you back. No? Basta huwag mo na rin balik-balikan ng nakaraan. What is additional messages? Para sa madaling salita, ano mahalaga ngayon yung ngayon? No, kailangan mo nang kumawala sa mga bagay na nasa paligid mo. And there's a trend card. Kailangan mo maging malakas, maging matibay. And there's a crystal na makakatulong sa'yo for healing, like gemstone, crystal stones like amethyst, no? And because like a tiger eye to boost your confidence, no? There's an evil eye for blocking negativities. And there's a career change na unti-unti na magbabago yung career mo. So let's see what is the energy represent what. And there's a door to third to the value, talagang bukas ang pito ang pagdating sa maraming salapi. And there's a first chakra Archangel Gabriel by your intuition. Alam mo guys, no, mas lumalawak ang intuition mo ngayon ha. Ibig sabihin, nagkakaroon ka na namang something inner voice and predictions, instinct, vibrations, na may mga kaba at kutob ka na. And there's a man holding a coin. So some of you, if you're a man, no, ikaw may hawak ng finances. If you were a woman, baka yung person may hawak ng finances. So let's see what is the Romance Angels represent what. And there is something, pay attention to the red flag. So see, mag-pay attention na ka raw sa red flag. And there's something true love. At some of you guys may true love naman dito. Oh my goodness. What is the Jesus loving code said? Jesus loving code said, forgiven shall be forgiven, no? Kailangan mong pakawalan, kailangan mong bitawan, at kailangan mong magpatawad, no? Para patawarin ka rin sa iyong mga kasalanan na nagawa. Ibig sabihin, kailangan mo magpatawad, pero hindi ka makakalimot. Ganon. Lagi kang mapagmatsyag, lagi kang iingatan mo na, no? Yung mga bagay na nasira na. What is additional messages? With an angel's number. Represent with a 444 for blessing this, guys. Lahat na nangyayari sa buhay mo ay kumbaga mapagtatagpi-tagpi mo. Dahil merong mensahe yung mga gabay mo na kumbaga hindi kanya dinadala doon sa isang bagay na alam mong may hirapan ka ng bongga. Kumbaga may tulong, no? Kumbaga there's a God will provide, ganon. There might be some difficulties ahead, but you will push through. You got this. If you have been struggling or feeling lost, the winds of the change will blow in your favor. If you've been suffering or feeling lost, something may fall apart, but you're building a framework for something much better hanging there. So see, may mas maganda pa dyan, mas maganda pang dahilan, at kaya nilalagay ka dyan sa situation kasi may mga bagay na kailangan mo matutunan. What is additional messages of life? Ibig sabihin, guys, there's something, a pattern na kailangan mong kumawala dyan or umalis doon sa situation na yon para magtuloy-tuloy yung pagdaloy ng eksena. What is the messages of life? Application. Lahat ng mga bagay na nangyayari sa buhay mo, kailangan mo i-apply yan. Today, I apply that all that I have learned during my spiritual guest. I practice love in my daily life. I allow my inner light to lift my thoughts. As I do so, the law of universal love take root in my life. So see, yun yung pinakaugat, no, ng buhay na meron ka para matutunan at maramdaman at para maranasan mo yung mga bagay na may kinalaman about sa spiritual. So guys, this is a monthly gabay for the month of March 2025 for the sign of Aries. So Aries, maraming salamat for this wonderful reading. So once again, this reading sa reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo, and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell for more videos and update. Kasi maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng ads, sa way pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik, liglig, nag-uumapaw na biyayang manubalik sa inyo. At maraming salamat po, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!